Using a knife can cause injury, so be careful. Pick up the mushrooms and place them on a cutting board. Slice the mushrooms with a knife and place them in an empty bowl. Slice 2 more mushrooms. Let's press the next button to make a pizza. Pick up the bread and place it where it glows green. Use a spoon to spread the tomato sauce on the bread. Pick up the cheese and place it on top of the tomato sauce spread on the bread. Place the mushrooms on top of the cheese you just sprinkled on top. Pick up the cheese and place it on top of the mushrooms. Let's create another one. Press the next button. Place all the pizzas you've made in the skillet. Close the lid of the skillet. Turn the lever to light the stove. The fire is very hot and can cause burns. Handle with care. Carefully turn the lever to adjust the heat to medium. Then, press. Please wait a moment. The pizza is ready. Turn the lever to turn off the heat.